me everything. She even gave me her second car. This is how most of them refer to you, ladies. Stop taking care of a man who's not yours. Stop taking care of a man who doesn't claim you. It's okay if you support each other. Stop buying him cars. Stop buying him shoes. Keep your key to your house. He'll only give you the blues. Stop taking care of a man who doesn't claim you. Stop taking care of him and his woman. He'll only use you.
Because he does have a woman on his side.
Until you have no more to offer. Stop taking care of a man who abuses you. Man, this bitch is giving me everything.
And that's how they refer to you,
I'm driving this Lexus to see my other woman this weekend. Yeah, I'm taking her out of town for her birthday.